Hello friends, this is Hitesh Patil welcoming you to the Mathematics Factory. So today we are going to learn one of the important chapter from class 12 science, that is mathematical logic. So in this section we learn what is a statement, what are different types of statements, which are the logical connectivities in a statement, and also we solve some few examples on that. Okay, so let's start. So before starting this chapter, you just what do you mean by the logic? Logic word is coming from the Greek word logos. Logos means reasoning. So we basically doing the method of reasoning in this chapter. So first term in mathematical logic is a statement. Okay, so first see what is a statement. As a definition says, the statement is an assertive sentence which is either true or false, but not the both simultaneously. We took some few examples on statements so you get a better idea. Okay, so these are the few examples on a statement. So first example is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so what the definition of statement says, a statement is an assertive sentence which is either true or false but not the both. Okay, so हम चेक करेंगे 5 into 2 is equal to 10, ये जो है करेक्ट है, मतलब इसका वैल्यू क्या है, ट्रू है. So this is a true statement. And one more thing, the true statement is denoted by capital T. Okay, the next example, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So this is also statement and it is a true statement, so we also denote it as T. Third example, 3 is an odd number. This is also true statement. What about 4? 4 square is equal to 64. As you see, the 4 square is 16, but in the example it is given that 4 square is equal to 64. That is, it is a statement, no doubt it is a statement, but its true value is false. Why false? Because 4 square is not equal to 64. Okay, next example, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, having root is equal to 2. Suppose if you substitute x with 2, then we can't get answer as equal to 0. So this is a statement, but this is a false statement, and false statement denoted by F. Okay, so these are the statements. So these are the example of a statement. So which sentence which are not a statement? So हम not statement के भी कुछ example देखेंगे, so you get a better idea. Okay, so these are the few sentences which are not a statement. So the first example says, what is your name? So in this sentence we asking one question to somebody else, that what is your name? So whenever question come, we said it's not a statement. Second example, let's play. Let's play, in this sentence we ordering something or requesting something to play. So whenever the order come or request come, it is not considered as a statement. Okay, third example, how beautiful flower it is. In this sentence there is an exclamation is there, so this is an exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentence also not a statement. Fourth example, may I coming? In this sentence we requesting, so whenever request come, this is also not statement. Fifth example, you should try it. You should try it means we suggesting someone that you should try it. So whenever suggestion come, we called as not a statement. Okay, so in general we can say that whenever question, order, exclamation, suggestion or request is there, then we say that it is not a statement. आई होप अभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन से सेंटेंस को हम स्टेटमेंट बोलेंगे और किसको हम नॉट स्टेटमेंट बोलेंगे. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अ लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स. So what is a logical connectives? So before we start a logical connectives, one more term is there, simple statement and compound statement. So simple statement, first we see simple statement. तो सिंपल स्टेटमेंट क्या होता है? सिंपल स्टेटमेंट इज नथिंग बट इज वन सिंगल स्टेटमेंट. हमें कुछ सेंटेंस दिया होगा, वो सेंटेंस में एक ही स्टेटमेंट होगा, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल 3 square is equal to 9. This is a simple statement. Second example, 3 is a prime number. इसमें भी एक ही स्टेटमेंट है, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. नाउ वी सी कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट. Compound statement is exactly opposite of a simple statement. So when we combining two statement into one statement, then we called as compound statement. Let's see some example. 3 is odd number. Also 3 is prime number. Okay, so in this example if you see that 3 is odd number, ये हो गया वन स्टेटमेंट. सपोज मैंने इसको इंडिकेट किया स्मॉल पी से. सो व्हाट स्मॉल पी सेज 3 इज odd number. What is the second statement in this example? 3 is a prime number, so I can denote as a small q. 3 is prime number. So this entire statement is a combination of a two statement, that is P and Q, and it is joined by one word also. Okay, so also is nothing but one logical connectives. Okay, so compound statement में क्या होता है, दो स्टेटमेंट मिला के हम एक स्टेटमेंट बोलते हैं, उसको हम कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट बोलते हैं. और सिंपल स्टेटमेंट में ओनली वन स्टेटमेंट इज देयर, देन वी कॉल्ड एज अ सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स. सो जैसे कि हमने अभी सीखा कि लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स आर दोज विच आर यूज टू जॉइन और कंबाइन टू स्टेटमेंट्स. सो देयर आर बेसिकली 5 टाइप्स ऑफ लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स इन लॉजिक. सो वी सी वन बाय वन. The first logical connective in logic is a conjunction. So which statements we say it is conjunction? A statement, or we say compound statement, in which two statements are combined by using the word and. Those statements we called as a conjunction statement. Okay, we see one example on that. Three is prime number and square of 3 is 9. So as you can see in this compound statement there are two statements. One is 3 is prime number and second is square of 3 is 9. So I can denote this statement as a P and this statement as a Q. And both these statements are joined by using word and. So whenever and comes, that statement we called as a conjunction statement or conjunction connective. And there is a way of denoting conjunction. So two statements P and Q are joined by using and, then it is denoted as this symbol and we read as P conjunction Q. Now see the truth table for conjunction. So I have two statements, that is P, Q, and I am doing what? I am doing conjunction. So I am denoted as P conjunction Q. So statement P having different truth value. So first is true, second true, third is false and fourth is false. Statement Q having truth value as T is true, false, true, false. Okay, so what P conjunction Q says, whenever two statements are, both the statements are true, then its result is true. Okay, when first statement is true, second statement is false, then result is false. Third one, when first case is false, second case is true, then result is false. When first statement is false, second statement also false, then result will be false. So you can observe that in conjunction the result is true only when both the statements are true, then we get result true. The next logical connective is disjunction. So what is disjunction? So in disjunction, whenever one compound statement is joined by using word or, then we say that is disjunction connective. लास्ट टाइम कंजक्शन में क्या था? एंड था. अभी डिजक्शन में क्या होता है? और. We take one example. Okay. So this is the example of a disjunction. As you can see, there are the two statements which are joined the word or. The first statement is a school is open. The second statement is there is a holiday. If I can denote this statement as a P and this statement as Q, then both the statements P and Q I will denote with symbol this. So P disjunction Q. This is a way of denoting disjunction. Okay, we see the truth table for disjunction also. I have two statements, that is P and Q, and I am doing P disjunction Q. The truth value for P is true, true, false, false. For Q is true, false, true, false. Okay, so what disjunction says? So first statement is true, second statement is true, then result is true. The first statement is true, second is false, then result is true only. First is false, second is false, the result is also true. When both statements are false, then the result is false. So as you can see in disjunction, what happens? When both the statements are false, the result is false. Rest of the case, it is true. Okay. The next logical connective is implication or conditional. So whenever two statements are combined by using word if then, or either or sufficient, और implies, मतलब दो स्टेटमेंट इफ देन से जॉइन होते या आइदर और से जॉइन होते या सफिशिएंट ये वर्ड से जॉइन होते या इम्प्लाइज ये वर्ड से दो स्टेटमेंट जॉइन होते तो वो स्टेटमेंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? इम्प्लीकेशन बोलेंगे. ओके, वी टुक सम एग्जांपल. लेट्स से इफ ए विन देन बी लॉस, और P is sufficient for Q. So ये जो स्टेटमेंट है, ये स्टेटमेंट कौन से वर्ड से ज्वाइन हुआ है? इफ देन से ज्वाइन हुआ है. सेकंड एग्जांपल में सफिशिएंट यूज हुआ है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट वी कॉल्ड एज implication statement. Now let's see the truth table for implication. The truth table for implication is, suppose I have two statements P and Q, and I am doing implication. So the symbol of implication is P implication Q. This arrow indicate implication. So the truth value for P is T T F F. Truth value for Q is T F T F. So when both the statements are true, the result is true. If one statement, the first statement is true, second statement is false, the result is false. First is false, second is true, then result is true. Both the statements are false, then the result is true. Okay. So in implication, the result is false only when the first statement is true and second statement is false. then and only the result is false. Rest of the cases the result is true. The fourth logical connective is double implication or biconditional. Okay, so whenever two statements are joined by the word if and only if, then we can say that that is double implication. मतलब जो भी स्टेटमेंट इफ एंड ओनली इफ ये वर्ड से जॉइन होता है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, डबल इम्प्लीकेशन बोलेंगे. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, P wins if and only if when Q lose. ओके, सो when Q lose ये हो गया एक स्टेटमेंट और P wins ये हो गया second statement. So both the statements are joined by using word if and only if. So this statement we called as a double implication or biconditional. Okay, so let's see the truth table for double implication. I have two statements P, Q and they are joined by using biconditional. What is the symbol for denoting the biconditional is this arrow with both direction. The truth value for P is true, true, false, false. For Q is true, false, true, false. Okay, so what biconditional says? When both the statements are true, then result is true. When first is true, second is false, the result is false. The first is false, second is true, then result is false. If both the statements are false, then the result is true. Okay, this is a truth table for biconditional or double implication. Last logical connective is negation. तो negation में क्या होता है, सपोज हमारे पास कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिया होगा, उसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू होगा ट्रू, तो उसका negation क्या होगा, false. So let's take one example. If I have one statement P which has a truth value as a true, then negation of P is false. Okay, let's take another example. If I have one statement Q, मेरे पास एक स्टेटमेंट है Q जिसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू है ट्रू, so the negation of Q, negation is denoted by this symbol, negation of Q is false. उसका ट्रूथ टेबल है आएगा, बिल्कुल भी सिंपल है, P negation of P. If truth value is true, negation of P is false. If truth value of P is F, then negation of F is true. This is a truth table for negation. Okay. Okay, so let's solve few examples. The first example is express the following compound statement symbolically without examining the truth values. ओके, मीन्स हमारे पास कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिए होंगे, उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करना है सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में विदाउट कंसिडरिंग ट्रूथ वैल्यू. द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 2 is an even number and 25 is a perfect square. So as you can see, this is a compound statement. Why compound? Because it is a combination of a two statement. So if I consider 2 is an even number as a first statement, I am denoting it is as P. The second statement is 25 is a perfect square and I am denoting with Q. Okay, so what question asks, express the following compound statements symbolically without examining the truth value. So हमारे पास दो स्टेटमेंट दिए हुए हैं P and Q, तो उसको हम सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करना है. तो पर देखेंगे कि लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव वर्ड कौन सा है, दो स्टेटमेंट को जो ज्वाइन करता है उसको हम लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव बोलते हैं, और यहाँ पे क्या वर्ड यूज हुआ है, एंड यूज हुआ है. सो एंड इज नथिंग बट यस राइट कंजक्शन. सो वी कैन डिनोट दिस P conjunction Q. Okay, move to the second example. 3 plus 8 is greater than or equal to 12 if and only if 5 into 4 is less than or equal to 25. Okay, so as you can see in this compound statement, which are the two statements? So this is one statement and this is second statement. So if I consider this statement as P, this statement as a Q, and both these statements are joined by using word if and only if. So if and only if is nothing but biconditional or double implication. So we can denote or represent this compound statement in symbolic form as P double implication Q. The last example, all flowers are red or all cows are black. So as you can see, this is the first statement and this is second statement, and both the statements are joined by word or. So or is nothing but disjunction. So P disjunction Q. Got it? Hope all of you understand what is a statement, what are the different logical connectivities in a statement. If you have any doubt or suggestion, do mention in comments, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Mathematics Factory. See you soon.